In the realm where nature brutalizes, climate change now casts its ammonia skies, rising temperature a warning sign, unleashing havoc both yours and mine. The polar ice caps, majestic and grand, now melting fast, slipping through our hands. Sea level rise, a relentless tide, coastal communities left terrified. By the name of Almighty Allah, most honorable chief guest, respectable principals, headmasters, honorable teachers, dear brothers and students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Honorable chief guest and respectable teacher, we are very thankful to education department personnel in the world are unable to express our hearty gratitude for their continuous efforts to arrange such a constructive program to awake our latent potentialities to develop our skills and to enable us to pass the future challenges and various fields of life and to make us the best citizen of the country and the world. Honorable chief guest, on this happy occasion of Tournament Debates Day, I'd like to express my thoughts on climate change and their effects. Honorable chief guest, I'd like to draw your attention to a pressing issue that affects every single one of us, climate change and their effect. Climate change refers to long-term alteration in temperature, precipitation pattern, and other aspects of the Earth climate system. It is a global phenomenon that has far-reaching consequences of our environment or our well-being. Allah says in the Holy Quran, ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس. Evil has appeared in Al-Bar and Al-Bahr because of what the hands of men have earned, that he may make them taste a part of what which they have done in order that they may return. Honorable chief guest, climate change is primarily caused by increased emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily from human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial process. All the leading industrial countries like America, China, Russia, France, and Australia are responsible for that. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a rise in global temperature, which in turn disrupt the delicate balance of our planet climate system, including our beloved Pakistan. Honorable chief guest, rising temperature have led to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, resulting in a rise in sea level. This poses a significant threat to coastal communities and low-lying islands as they face the risk of being submerged. Moreover, extreme weather events such as hurricanes, drought, floods, and heat waves have become more frequent and intense, causing immense damage to infrastructure, agriculture, and human lives. Honorable chief guest, one of the most consequences of climate change is the loss of biodiversity. Many species are struggling to adapt to rapidly changing conditions or are facing extinction due to habitat loss and altered ecosystem. This loss of biodiversity is not only disrupt the delicate balance of nature but also threaten our own existence as we depend on healthy ecosystem. Honorable chief guest, furthermore, climate change has far-reaching economic implications. Government, businesses, and individuals are forced to spend billions of dollars each year to repair damage caused by extreme weather events and to implement measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. These costs are likely to increase in the future if we fail to take immediate action. Honorable chief guest, however, it is not all doom and gloom. Honorable chief guest, however, it is not all doom and gloom. We still have the power to mitigate the effect of climate change and create a more sustainable future by transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. We can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Thanks all of you.